In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Adobe Sign template. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your templates, how to open them in the editor, what you can change, and how to save those updates so they're ready for your next agreement. Start by signing in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. Once you're in, look to the top menu and click Manage. This area is your dashboard for everything you've created or received. In the Manage view, open the Library or Templates section to see your saved templates. If you don't see what you expect right away, make sure you're viewing the correct folder or filter. Next, choose the template you want to edit. You can click directly on the template name to open it, or use the Options menu beside it and pick Edit. Keep in mind that you can only edit templates you created yourself, or templates that have been shared with you with the right permissions. If the edit option isn't available, you may need to request access from the template owner. Once the editor opens, you're ready to make changes. Start with the basics, like the template name, so it's easy to recognize later. You can also adjust who has permission to use this template, which is useful if you're standardizing documents across a team. If the underlying document has changed, you can update or replace the attached files to keep everything current. Now fine-tune the form fields. You can add, move, resize, or delete elements like signature fields, text fields, checkboxes, and date fields. Drag fields into place and use on-screen guides for alignment. Click any field to open its properties and set details like whether it's required or how the text should appear. Take a moment to scan the document from top to bottom to confirm that every field is positioned clearly and labeled in a way that makes sense to signers. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your edits are stored immediately, and the updated template replaces the previous version in your library, so the next time you use it, you'll see the changes. A few important things to know before you finish. Editing a template does not affect any documents that have already been sent for signature. Those agreements continue exactly as they are. Your changes only apply to new agreements you create from this point forward. And if you want to keep the original as a separate version for reference, duplicate the template first, then edit the copy. This helps you iterate without losing your starting point.